not going to do no more for the minute, for the tonight. So Amy's going to do the rest, and she's going to go a bit nuts. Okay. Are you ready, Amy?
I'm ready.
She's ready as ever. Okay.
Hi, everybody. My name is Amy. And I'm a junior.
Oh, yeah, she has a badge and all. But not with her. Because she forgot it like everything else. Like the sexy back. Do the funny thing that makes you look cute. And Lion the dog.
Come on, doggy.
Come on, little doggy. Okay, that looks a bit weird. Okay, I think you should stop doing that now. This is your time to go crazy. You're not doing much crazy stuff, are you? She's not a crazy person. Okay, she is. Very crazy. She's rocking. She's rocking it out. She just did something, maybe a straddle jump off the bed. Don't think it is. And that's what I do. Okay, she's doing something very crazy. I don't even know what it is no more. Okay, she's being very crazy. I must warn you, the people that don't like crazy people, please do not comment. Oh god, it hurts my stomach. It was something cute now. It's not. Okay, be very afraid. This has been an A production. I had nothing to do with it.